Hypnotized, fall down paralyzed right before my eyes.
Had a girlfriend. Cheated on her. Have another girlfriend. So, yeah. Internet took a fat deuce.
Like, I didn't want to say anything, but you have a fat Squidward nose.
The fuck? Are you a koala?
Oh.
You.
Yeah, it'll.
We all need to stay together.
A disturbing amount of liquid just came out of me.
You went from 284 minutes to 280 minutes. I'll take it. That was a good one. I felt the girth in that one. Oh, that was a good one. I'm having like a burp attack.
Anthony,
Level up my mastery.
where are you? Oh, there you are. Hey, it's Bob, too.
Oh, dude, we are about to shove the butt plug so far up these people's butts.
Yes.
Oh.
No, that's good.
What are you drinking?
It's fruit in a cup. I call it a cup of fruit. No,
I can
it was,
see the sweat.
it was just yeah, on his fat forehead.
Oh my goodness.
That was a good one. I'm just saying, if we get ass raped, it'll probably be my fault.
Goldfish. Oh my gosh, she's stuck.
We'll figure it out, so I'll be back. Is that you or me? Oh, that's you. Oh, your mom's burning something. Got some apple juice. Oh. Oh.
What was old about?
That was girthy. Oh.
What the fuck was that?
I got you this.
I don't want what the hey. Don't lag. What happened? I was just praising you, internet. Then you come out and give me this. Penis.
I freaking love Pringles.
They actually made him out to be pretty good in the tournament. So far. I mean,
Oh, God, jeez. What is it?
Big
What?
what? Big dog daddy what?
You think he's got a big dong?
I think he's a dad.
Yes. Oh, it's a Skin Jacks. Yeah, that's what we all love. Oh.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, you got really
Supportive
orange. Wait, why'd you get really orange?
Oh, this is what I've been telling you.
What
It just
happened?
happens.
True. Except this looks like an unhealthy tan. Oh.
Here we go.
No, you're not. Oh. Oh. I don't like this one. I like the other one.
Why did you like this one?
It's a little, like, crappy. It looks like the old one.
It is.
I can tell. It's
Ow,
crappy.
I think it looks fine.
No, I like the other one better.
Why?
Because you actually look more clear.
I think I look fine. Fine. You want to see clear? I'll show you fucking clear. Yeah.
Oh, you missed it.
No, I saw it with my peripherals.
Saw the good old. Dude, oh my god. Okay, so I was eating top ramen the other day, and I was sitting here, and my girlfriend was sitting next to me. I was like, oh fuck, and she didn't understand why I was laughing so hard. Because I like died on my bed. So then I showed her that video, and she's like, "It's not that funny." I'm like, "Oh, it's fucking hilarious." It was just a wet noodle. Oh.
At least your juice didn't come out your nose later. 2 minutes later. My nose and my face, my eye.
That should have hit.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
I know,
suck
right?
my penis. God, that was the shittiest donkey testicles I've ever fucking seen. Dude!
Oh, what? Wait, what? No! No, what?
Why am I watching Cops?
Good idea.
Why am I watching Cops? A good idea. He had no idea.
And I clicked on links and it was like,
Bad.
hey, dude, whenever. Who's a good mid laner? Is he here? Is that it?
No, I dropped my phone.
Tiny Italian man.
Mario? Wasn't that funny?
What?
I don't know if you heard that squeal. It might have been too high pitched.
I heard part of it.
I did that with my lips.
I did that one with my lips. You didn't laugh at my impersonation of you. No, I'm saying. I did it with my lips. You shouldn't really acknowledge that much, but whatever. Tried it twice. Now for a weekend right before Thanksgiving, but he ain't coming down for Thanksgiving.
Well, okay, there's a football game. Okay, so we have like football
Why do you have a
playoffs. Exactly, like is like an estimation.
Like a destination. What the fuck? Oh, that was like a destination.
No, an estimation, not a freaking
Oh.
like. It's a destination.
So when you said this, I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
How long is your cord?
Muy. That
It's
means
extra
very in Spanish.
Game that I saw was Blood Moon Diana. Wait, no.
Are you fucking wait? Did I just hear fucking Wario or something?
No, unless he's in my house or your house.
Dude, I'm gonna play this part of the video back. Like, right after I say this, I gotta go back to the video and watch that because it sounded like when I was screeching in the background, I just heard. And I'm like, what the fuck was that?
Alright, I gotta take a dump, so I'll be back.
Dude, this queue. Be back in a minute.
That's not happening. Here, I'll tell you what.
If it starts, then I'll stop it.
Wait, no. Oh, okay. Yeah, you go. Alright.
Okay.
I
don't think that'll help.
Well, no, I gave so.
Yeah, but still.
Alright, well, I'll stand here for 40 seconds to try to hold in my dump.
No, I mean, I'm not sure if we stop this, if it'll be able to let us.
Oh, shit. Oh, come on now, man.
I'm trying to hold in my dump.
Dimbo's gotta poop really bad.
I have to take the biggest shit. Dude, what was I forget about that whole thing. It was like during Advanced Warfare. And it was like I really had to go.
Yeah, we were talking about if we were in a MLG tournament, if you were like in the if you're in the middle of the booth and you just shit yourself.
Oh, okay, it doesn't start yet.
Oh, okay. I'll be back.
What?
The fuck, League?
Maybe because we both have top. I didn't have top beforehand.
I know that. You had jungle.
Why'd you say we both had top?
Because now we both have top.
We didn't have both on top. Now we have both on top.
That's what I said. Oh, I'm out of apple
You
juice.
said we did have both top. That's past tense.
Yeah, that's what I said.
But we didn't.
Wait,
Now
no, I
we
said
have
we
it.
do.
No, you said we did.
I'm very retarded. Dude, I'm gonna use that now when people are like, you're not the brightest light bulb. I'm not the most efficient item in the shack. And they're gonna be like, yeah, I know.